There are over 1,000 different colorful species of sea anemones, located in deep and shallow waters all around the world. Sea anemones may look like plants, but they are actually soft-bodied animals. They use their adhesive foot, called the petal disc, to attach to rocks, mud, and shells on the sea floor. Some even attach to the shells of living animals. Anemones vary in size from less than an inch to over 2 feet long. They may have anywhere from a few dozen to a few hundred tentacles surrounding their central mouth. The tentacles can expand and contract into their body cavity. They may feed on zooplankton, crustaceans, and fish. Much like a jellyfish, anemones possess stinging cells on their tentacles to use for feeding and defense. These cells will react to the slightest touch and eject a toxin that paralyzes prey. Their tentacles will guide the paralyzed prey to their mouth. Anemones are well known for their symbiotic relationships with clownfish. Clownfish can inhabit anemones without being affected by their sting. The anemone provides protection for the clownfish. In exchange, the anemone gets the food scraps from the clownfish's meals. Small shrimp and crabs may also inhabit anemones. Some anemones can swim slowly by bending back and forth, but most stay in the same spot unless conditions become unsuitable. Sea anemones can reproduce both sexually and asexually. They can reproduce sexually by releasing sperm or eggs into the water through their mouth. Or they may reproduce asexually by methods like splitting in half or detaching bits of their tissue that can regenerate into complete animals. Anemones are solitary individuals. They sometimes use their stinging cells to fight each other if another anemone gets too close. Some anemones can live well over 50 years. For more marine facts, click the subscribe button.